Do you want to grow on YouTube like Algrow or DecodingYT? To achieve, there are 4 simple formulas, and the 4th formula is very important. Without the 4th formula, your channel never grows. Starting with Formula 1. Bright and easy understandable thumbnails. If you see in this thumbnail, there is lot of text. While in this thumbnail, it's simple and easy understandable. Viewers like easy and understandable thumbnails. Here is a tip. To make viewers click on your video, thumbnails with red and green colors get more attraction, and as you know, red is more bright. Formula number 2. Creating intros with a need. If you are a YouTuber, you should have at least known that first 30 seconds of video is very important to keep viewers engaged. And to watch the complete video, many YouTubers make fancy intros, or they say, "Hi guys, welcome back to my channel" at the starting of the video only. Making those all makes viewers to leave. If you see Algrow or DecodingYT videos, they keep their viewers with interesting speech. If you didn't understand, watch this video.
बट एल्ग्रो के चैनल को स्टडी करने के बाद मुझे पता चला कि एल्ग्रो के पास एक 4 स्टेप फॉर्मूला है जो वो अपने 90% वीडियोस में यूज़ करता है, और इसका जो 4th स्टेप है ना, वो इतना इंपॉर्टेंट है कि शर्त लगा लो, एल्ग्रो इसके बिना कभी ग्रो नहीं कर पाता.
Now you know how to keep viewers engaged. Finally, formula number 4. Genuine content. While before Algrow is not on YouTube, many creators said increase watch time, increase CTR, increase audience, but no one used to say how to grow those. Then Algrow came into light and kept lessons on those content. Because of that, viewers trust him. That's what matters at last.